Hello everyone to this new series from Ledgr, and this is totally focused at making people aware of the financial instruments and everything that lies in between and getting them more involved in the financial world. One of the greatest challenges in trading is knowing when to stay in a winning trade and when to exit. The parabolic stop and reverse indicator, commonly known as PSAR, was developed by J. Wells Wilder. More aggressively, the indicator locks in profits and prepares for a potential reversal again. To interpret it, PSAR should not be viewed as a prediction tool. Instead, it just helps traders react to changing market conditions. Let's say if there's a change, PSAR will either go up or go down. The points I made. Many traders consider PSAR to be one of the best visual trading stop systems ever created. While PSAR is often associated with active traders, investors also use it to identify major trend changes and reduce emotional decision making, especially in case of large acquisitions or say M&As or say deals involving large sums of money. This is one of the most important lessons regarding PSAR. It thrives in trending environments and struggles in choppy markets or flat markets. So when the market is going flat, your PSAR is going to be slightly inaccurate. Most professional traders never use PSAR alone. They generally combine it with ADX and is particularly effective, this combination, because ADX confirms whether the trend is strong and PSAR gives you the direction of the trend, whether it's bullish or whether it's bearish. Most professional traders never use PSAR alone. They generally combine it with ADX and is particularly effective, this combination, because ADX confirms whether the trend is strong and PSAR gives you the direction of the trend, whether it's bullish or whether it's bearish. This approach allows traders to participate in trends while maintaining disciplined risk management. Furthermore, the biggest mistake that traders make with PSAR is using it during the consolidation phases where trends are weak, or for robust returns, high quality setups are absolutely necessary. And then a final thought from our end is that a successful trade is not just about finding the trend, it's about staying with it long enough to capture meaningful profits while knowing exactly when to exit. PSAR was designed to help traders to do both. Thank you very much for your time, and please connect to Ledgr, like and subscribe and comment on our YouTube channel, which is at LedgrBase, and please do interact with alphaledger.com. Thank you very much.